In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to forward emails into Slack. This can be a great way to streamline your communication and ensure that important information is always right where you need it, inside your Slack workspace. Let's dive into the process. To begin, open your Slack application. It's crucial to have your Slack workspace ready, as this is where your forwarded emails will land. Next, click on your workspace profile. You'll typically find this in the top right corner of the Slack interface. Selecting your profile will open up a menu where you will want to navigate to Preferences. This section is your gateway to customizing how Slack works for you, so feel free to explore more options later. Once you're in Preferences, focus on the Messages and Media section. By clicking here, you get options that tailor the way messages and media are handled in your Slack environment. Now, scroll down until you see the Get a Forwarding Address option. This is critical because it's how you link your emails to a Slack channel or direct message. When you click on Get a Forwarding Address, Slack will generate a unique forwarding email address for you. After you've fetched your forwarding address, the next step is easy. Just click on Copy. With the email address copied, you are ready to move over to your email client. Open up your email and click on Compose. This begins a new email draft where you can now paste the forwarding address into the recipient field. The address acts as a relay point, directing all the contents of your email into Slack. In the body of your email, you might want to include any meaningful content or attachments as needed. Once your email is ready, click on Highlight to ensure you haven't missed anything crucial before sending. Double checking at this stage is always a good practice. Now hit send. What you've just done is set up a system where emails can be seamlessly transferred into your chosen Slack channel or direct message. Instantaneously, you'll find that your email has arrived in Slack, thanks to the Slack bot. Simply click on Slackbot to see the email and confirm all the content is as you intended. And there you have it. Forwarding emails into Slack is a straightforward process that can elevate your workflow by keeping all your communications centralized. By utilizing these steps, you ensure that important emails are easily accessible alongside your ongoing Slack conversations. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on making the most out of your digital workspace. Catch you in the next video.